Ready to unlock the power of website analytics and skyrocket your conversion rates? First, head over to your WordPress website's dashboard, then navigate to the plugins section, which is usually on the left-hand side in the menu bar. Click on Plugins. Now, click the Add New button, which is typically at the top of the page. It will allow you to search for and install new plugins. In the search bar, type Google Tag Manager and press Enter. WordPress will then search for plugins that match your search query. Several options will appear, but we're going to focus on a simple and popular choice: the Insert Headers and Footers plugin. Find this plugin and click the Install Now button. Once installed, press the Activate button. Now that the plugin has been activated, we can implement our GTM code. Go back into your WordPress dashboard again, and then click on the Settings option in the menu bar. From the list of settings, select Insert Headers and Footers. This is where you'll input your Google Tag Manager code. Now, open your Google Tag Manager account, find your GTM container ID, and you'll see the snippets of code. The first snippet goes in the head section, the second snippet goes in the body greater than section of your website. Going back to your WordPress site, in the Scripts in Header section, paste the first Google Tag Manager code snippet. Then scroll down to the Scripts in Footer section and paste the second Google Tag Manager code snippet. Finally, click the Save button. Congratulations! Your Google Tag Manager code is now successfully added to your WordPress website. Now, you can track website activity, analyze data, and optimize for amazing results. Don't forget to regularly check Google Analytics to track the metrics that matter to you.